Now it begins.
Olaocha! Olaocha, please come out. I'm here. Let's go. Olaocha!
Kaifua, I'm ready.
Oh. Please don't tell me you're still sleeping by this time. We're already late.
What kind of joke is that? Let's go. I'm ready.
Olaocha, come out though.
Isema, what is your problem? Why are you shouting my name? Let us go.
Olaocha. 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 You promised me. You said we were going to dance to the moon. Grew jealous. You promised to never leave me.
Ola. My sister, my friend. You were to be a bride tomorrow. We're supposed to walk you down your husband's house. Why are you so still? She's stiff. She can't move. She's cold.
To fear what? A maiden dying a very day before her marriage. This death is not ordinary. No child of the gods dies at the eve of their joy. Very unfortunate.
She is Obanje. Yes, she is Obanje.
I am not Obanje.
One of the spirit children who pledged in the other world never to remain in this world. She must have sworn never to marry among the living.
Exactly. They come with beauty, charm and light, but they live with anguish and shame.
Please, stop it, elders. Don't say that about her. She was not an Obanje. She was light. She was kind.
She was meant to be happy. She was meant to be happy. happened. I don't know what happened to her. This is here.
No! She was going to be my wife. She was going to be my wife. Because of her life, what have we done? Why did you take her away from me? Why? 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 Allah, please. Please open your eyes. I am here. Your prince is here. Just welcome me. Welcome me. Your prince has come. Your prince is here.
My prince, may the gods console your heart. But what is done is done. So let's start planning her burial immediately.
I want to bury her.
She's no ordinary maiden. No, she's no ordinary maiden. This is the hand of a dark spirit, a sign of Obanje. And such should not be buried amongst the clean. She should be buried in the evil forest. And that is the custom.
Say that again! Say it! And I will have your head roll at the feet of the council. Say it!
Sorry, my friend, sorry.
Repeat it, I say!
I'm sorry.
My prince, please. It's okay.
She must not be cast with the cursed spirits. She was no Obanje. She was a great jewel of this kingdom and must be buried as such. She must be buried with drums, firelight, honor, and dignity. She deserves it.
Even in death, you still believe in me.
She deserves it.
Sorry, my prince.
The cruel world. Olaocha, I miss you so much. It is so unfortunate that you died the day before your marriage. Go to our land. Please. If you can hear me, then send her to me. Oh, take me to where she is. I miss you. I miss you so much.
Mana ona bawo pio enu abafia onye zucha ona mana ona bawo pio oni mewo bio oimuo eme malue oimuo everything Isioma, please wait. You have to hear me out. It wasn't an accident. It wasn't fate. Somebody killed me. Please. If you speak, they will believe you. I need them to know. I need to know what I did to the person, that the person ended my life. Isioma, I need you to tell the prince so he can find my killer. Isioma! Isioma! Isioma, please! Help me! Help me, please!
Why? Why her? O gods of my fathers, what did she do to deserve this? She was light. She was laughter. She made my name sound different when she called it. Was her laughter too loud? Was my love for her too deep? What was her offense? What did she do to deserve it?
My son, my lion, I understand how it feels to lose someone who's so light of your world. Olaocha was special. She was calm. She was joyful, full of life. I was ready to call her daughter. But she's gone. This grief you carry, I also carry in my heart.
Mother, what did she do to deserve this?
Nothing.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. She did nothing.
She did nothing, my son. Cry. Let the gods hear your cries. Let them have a taste of what they have taken.
Look who is still in the land of the living. So you're still here and you haven't come to visit me. Or are we no longer friends?
It's not about friendship, Adadichi. I've not gotten myself. I'm still mourning my friend.
It's been 5 Nkwo market days. Isioma, the living has to move on for the dead to rest. You and I know that Olaocha would not be happy if she sees us like this. She wants us to be happy.
Everyone has their own way of mourning. I don't pretend to be happy when my heart is in pieces.
Just look at this one. Acting like she's the only friend that Olaocha had when she was here. Isioma, the overly righteous one. Well, I don't even care. Not like you were even the main person in the friendship. I don't need you.
Where are you going?
You can see me?
Yes. Because I am like you.
Wait. You are
Dead.
So I am no more. I'm gone from this world.
It is true. But you do not have to walk this road alone. Come with me. There is something I need to show you.
My queen, may your days be long.
Adadiche,
My queen,
you walk like the wind, gentle and silent. What brings you here so early?
I came to see my prince, my queen. My mind has not been at rest since Olaocha died. I have come to comfort the prince, even
with few words. That is thoughtful of you. He barely speaks. Grief has eaten deep into his bones. Perhaps a familiar face will ease his heart.
I would do anything I can to help, my queen.
Good. The prince needs people around him that still carries light. Go. Speak with him. Be gentle. And remind him that life does not end when the heart breaks. It only begins to teach.
Thank you, my queen.
Go.
You've been here a while now. Not many stay long. Unless something still ties them down.
I know. I can feel it. My heart is heavy. My spirit keeps cycling the same pain.
Is it anger or grief?
Both. Someone took away my breath. It was not death that found me. It was betrayal. But I can't seem to find the person who took my life away at the happiest part.
Finding out will only hurt you more.
I still want to know. I wish to know who ended my life and what I did to the person. I was peaceful. I carried everybody along. I want to know who ended my life.
Betrayal from a stranger wounds the skin. But betrayal from a close person, it tears through the soul.
I still want to know.
Are you really sure you want to find out? Do you wish for revenge?
I don't really know. But I am angry. I am so angry.
Anger is a fire that lights the path or consumes it. You must choose what to do with yours.
I want the truth to be known. I want to know the person. And I want the person to confess.
Then perhaps it is not revenge you seek, but justice.
My prince, you have not eaten since morning. You cannot carry sorrow on an empty stomach. Olaocha was very special to us all. But the gods do not err. And that's why you have to move on. I am here to help you ease your pain even if it's just for the moment.
You speak of ease. As if my heart is a wound that will be healed by palm wine. You speak of moving on, as if my spirit is a pot to be emptied and refilled.
My prince, the queen asked me to come help you. I am
Go.
I mean the queen.
I said leave.
My prince.
Must even my grief be stolen from me? Must I not mourn the one who lightened up my ward? What is it? Take it!
Your father's heart is empty. Your mother's footsteps no longer echo in this place. Your name, your blood, it's vanishing with the wind. Why? How could you live just like that? You are my only friend. You didn't even say goodbye to me. Your family name, it's becoming unknown in the kingdom. These huts will soon be ruins. And you'll just be whispers in the wind. A name that the children will no longer remember. How could you leave me all alone in this cruel world?
Olaocha, this is our place. You promised. You told me that you would meet me up here the night before our marriage. You said you would wear white, that we would dance under the stars. What happened? What happened, Olam? I just want you to know this. I am going to be here. I will wait for you here. Just in case. Just in case you decide to come back. I'll wait.
Obiekunye, this is 2 moons, 32 sunrises since Olaocha left. You are the heir to the throne of Umoji Kingdom. Yet, you mourn like a common man that has lost his first love. Obiekunye. Yes, I know it is painful. It breaks my heart to see you this way. But life, my son, moves on, and so you must.
How can life go on, Mother, when the one I wanted to share it with is gone?
What if the whispers of the people are true? What if she was Ogbanje, a spirit's child that pledged not to marry in this world?
No, Mother. Do not ever say that again. Olaocha was light. She was love. She was everything good that this kingdom has ever known. Do not, please.
Then honor her by living, by being strong, by remembering who you are. Obiekunye, you have mourned her enough. It is time to face your destiny. Gabwego iyo. Onye gabwego iyo. I know how to dance it. Okay,
I
sing
will
for
not
me.
sing for somebody that cannot dance.
What do you mean?
She's trying.
What do you mean I'm trying?
Let's just go before you.
Let's go, let's go.
You dance and kill yourself. Let us go.
No, you both must watch me dance. Yes.
Okay, dance.
Dance.
Oh yeah, sing for me.
Onye gabwego iyo. Gabwego iyo.
Onye
Ha!
gabwego iyo.
It's okay. Get up, please.
Sing, I know how to dance.
Iyo, gabwego iyo. Onye gabwego iyo.
Oh my God. Let's go.
You will not come. Oh.
What did you mean?
I won't go again. This is the last one. You timed us.
Olaocha. Let's go. Olaocha, I have been thinking. I want to follow you to the palace. I need to see how you and the prince will sit and talk. You know, I want to give you moral support as my friend.
That's not necessary. She might need some privacy with him.
Wait. Who included you in this talk?
Adadichi. It's okay.
No, in Apwala.
It's okay.
Wait! In Apwala, am I your age mate? Am I your elder brother's age mate?
Ozugo.
Or because we let you in our circle, you think you can now put your mouth in things that does not concern you?
Adadichi is enough. There's no need going that far. She's our friend, even though she's younger. Please don't speak to her like that again.
What do you mean? Was I talking to her? Is she Olaocha? Is she the one the prince wants to see? Did I tell her not to beg you? She wants to follow you to the palace.
It's
Don't
okay.
start fights.
It's okay.
It's
okay, Adadichi.
No, leave me alone.
Me, am I your mate? Am I your mate?
Who's talking about age mates here?
Please, let's go. Every time you want to fight.
You see, this thing you are doing is very wicked of you. If it is I that owns the prince now, I will allow you to follow me to the palace. I will go with you.
She kept shouting, Ewumo, Ewumo. Let's play a game. Anybody that fails will fetch water.
Okay, no problem.
Guam, guam, guam.
Guam.
You go first.
Okay. What makes a king lick ashes? You cannot get it. You see that water, you fetch it today.
Where did you learn that from?
Okay. You will not get it. You cannot get it.
King licking ashes. What could make a king lick ashes? Ube? It is only ube that will make a king
Why
lick
did
ashes.
you get this one? Okay, your turn.
Guam, guam, guam.
Guam.
Tell me what goes up empty and comes down with water.
What goes up empty?
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing like that. It's not even possible. What are you saying?
Mm-hmm. That's why you fetch the water.
No. Wait, let me think. Is it rain?
It's calabash.
You're too harsh. I don't like this thing.
That's why I'm your senior. I'm not your mate.
Wait. Coconut. I got it right.
You tried. Guam, guam, guam. Your turn.
Guam. Who beats a child in front of her mother? Let me see how you get this
Who
one.
dares beat a child in front of the mother?
Okay.
Who beats a child in front of the mother?
You cannot get this one. Let me see how you get it.
The father.
Mother Kwano.
Is not? Chelu. Hunger. Hunger can beat anybody. I'm right.
Why did you get it?
Mm-hmm. No, you fetch water.
No, I'm not going to fetch water. Oh yeah, your turn.
This is the last one. Guam, guam, guam. Tell me that thing that goes into the ground naked and comes out with a beautiful clothes.
Goes in naked and come out with clothes. Are you sure of what you're saying? I'm not sure there's anything like that.
Am I your mate? That's why I'm older than you. I see far. Crack your brain, crack your brain.
Goes in naked and comes out with clothes.
Beautiful clothes. Add it.
Why you like this, Seth? Wait. Is it corn? It's
You're
corn,
too
Abi.
smart. You're
I
too
told you.
smart. Hell, so who will fetch the water now? You fetch. I'll fetch tomorrow. Fetch now. Biko. My legs were shaking and I didn't know what to do. My legs were shaking. I just said, let me go and come back to my hut. Let me not go and feed there. Hey! You needed to see the way the prince was looking at me. I almost choked on my own words.
He should look at you. Have you seen you? You're the most beautiful maiden in this whole kingdom.
I've warned you to stop lying. It's not good.
Yeah, I just hope that when you get married to the royal family, you will not forget your old friend.
Are you my friend? You're my sister. And I will never forget you. What have you eaten this morning?
Nothing.
Iyata abacha. Let me bring for you.
Thank you. You promised you'll never leave me alone. They may forget your family name. They may forget your name. But not me. I'll remember you, Olaocha. Always.
My friends, I brought you something to lighten up your mood. I know that no one would be able to replace Olaocha. She was truly kind, graceful, and truly loved by you.
She was light. She could laugh even when it's dark. Always smiling. Olaocha.
I really envied her when she was here. I was truly envious of how she made everyone very special, including myself. I miss her so much and I wish she was still here with us. You know, she told me something. She said you have a very big head that is very stubborn. But India is a good heart.
Don't listen to her. She's evil. She's a snake.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Everyone else acts like she never existed. Thank you. These few words have really brightened up my face. Thank you.
She will always exist. Here. And right there.
Yes.
Don't let her touch you. Can't you see she killed me?
So now,
Don't touch
my
it.
gift.
Don't touch it.
Freshly plucked from the tree.
Thank you.
Where have you been? Still roaming? Still following them about?
I'm watching. I need to see everything. I want to know everything.
Then you better hurry. The longer you stay, the thinner the path becomes.
What path?
The one that leads beyond here. You are stuck between worlds, Olaocha. That does not last forever. If you don't settle whatever is holding you back, you will remain trapped here. No peace. No joy. No rest. Just shadows.
I know who killed me.
Then that is your answer. You have a grudge. Settle it. Or you stay here forever.
I am so angry. I am so angry.
Good. Then use it. But remember, time does not wait for anyone. Not even the dead.
Wait. Who are you?
Iluka. I won't say more than that.
But
Olaocha is gone. And yet, the prince clings to her memory like a child suckles on its mother's breast. This love is not ordinary. Because tell me why the living is so clinged to the dead as though the grave was a bed of flowers. I loved the prince even before his eyes met hers. So why is my fate carved in thorns and hers in woven silk? Gods of our land,
If you have ever heard a woman's cry in the dark, then hear me and give me this fruit that my heart desires. Because I am a Dadiji. Different. Chosen. Destined. I guess you were not expecting to run into me. Olaocha was the only tie that held us together. And now that she's gone, it is so easy for you to drop me like a hot coal. How wicked can you be? How wicked can you be? Not even once. Not even once have you said, let me come and see my friend. Hey! Don't even give me that. Because I met you here. I know that Olachi's wrapper was the only thing that was tying us together. And now that the knot is loosened, it is easy for you to run. But let me tell you, even the strongest tree falls down when nothing holds it together.
Olaocha, you left so soon. Now everything is falling into pieces like an old basket.
Why does fate play dice with the hearts of men? You were the light in my darkness. But the gods took you away from me. Without no sign.
I told you that my voice was not good for music. Your royal ears may bleed.
Then let it bleed. Bleed as many times as possible. As long as it is your laughter that I hear next. Sing. I want to hear you sing. Just sing. Sing for me.
Sing, I'll back you up. Sing.
Okay, close your eyes. Let me sing. Close your eyes.
Let me hold your hands.
I want to tell you something. Just close your eyes.
Thank you.
Sometimes I ask myself, what good did I do to deserve you?
Maybe you saved the kingdom. Or fetched water for the blind.
Or maybe I loved you then. That is why the gods have brought us back together to complete our love story.
You speak as though your tongue was dipped in the honey, my prince.
No. I speak with a heart that has found its freedom in you. When you smile, the world grows quiet in reverence. And when you laugh,
My soul dances like flames during harmattan.
You make me forget that I am in the world when I'm with you.
I even forget I'm wearing a crown. When I'm with you, I am not a prince. I am a man who has found his home in you.
Promise me something.
Say it, my love.
Promise me that no matter what happens, you would always remember me like this, not in sadness.
Even when the stars grow cold and the rivers forget its path, your name, Olaocha, I shall sing forever.
I love you so much.
I love you more than words can explain.
Have some.
Greetings, mother.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
Mother, I bring you the one who has brightened my path. The one that my heart has chosen.
And who is this flower that caught my son's heart?
Her name is Olaocha, the daughter of late Okeji, the hunter. She is the one I wish to take as wife, if it pleases you and the gods.
So humble, yet her spirit shines like dew on coconut leaves. My son.
Mother.
You have chosen with both eyes and heart.
Thank you.
She may not be of royal blood, but I see nobility in her. My daughter.
My queen.
You are welcome. In this palace, you will not be treated like a stranger. You have washed your feet at our threshold. May your step bring peace and fruitfulness.
Greetings, my queen. Thank you so much, my queen. You honor me more than words can carry. I promise you that your son's heart will be carried with both hands. It will not fall.
She is not just beautiful, mother. She has a good heart. She is wise, and she sees with her soul. I have never been this certain of anything in life.
Love is sweet in its season. May the gods bless your union before it begins. The gods have brought joy to our household,
yes,
like rain on dry land. Come, let's drink. Sit. Let's have a drink.
Okay,
Joy!
I will call the guards to get the drink. Please sit.
Yes.
Olaocham. Olam. Did I do anything wrong? Did I do anything wrong that you could not forgive? Were you angry and I never saw it? What actually happened? Why did you leave me just like that? You held my heart in your hands. Now I hold its broken pieces alone. You promised to stand by me, even if the world turned upside down. You left without a word, without saying goodbye. No sign. How do I live in this palace all alone when every corner carries your memory, your laughter? I now walk in this palace like a ghost.
Now I understand. This is the chain that binds you here. This sorrow. This unspoken goodbye. You carry a grudge. But its pain is a wound that keeps bleeding. This is deeper than death. You both hold on to something. And that is holding you back.
It has been moons, yet Obiekunye is still drowning in the shadows of her memory. Olaocha was a sweet child, humble, graceful, but she's gone. Gone like smoke in the wind. I watched my son bloom in her presence. I watched his eyes light up like sunrise when she walked in. But now, all I see is a shell of a boy I raised. He must move on. He must marry. He must be crowned. The throne of Umoji will not wait for a grieving heart. But what if? What if the whispers are true? What if she was Ogbanje? What if her spirit still lingers and holds him bound? No! I will not allow her drag my son to the land of the dead. I will not fold my arms and lose him too. If this is the work of the spirits, then I must face the spirits. I have to do something. I have to do something, even if it means walking into the mouth of the gods. I carried him for 9 months. I will not allow grief take him to the grave. Adadiche, you were once close to Olaocha. I know you will have a way to help my son. Grief has tied him like a goat to a post, and I fear he may never be free.
My queen, the prince used to look in my eyes like I had sunrise in them. Until Olaocha came. She came and changed everything with her sweet tongue and her obanje. Even in death, the prince's heart is tied to her fist.
Adadiche, all I want is for him to rise above his mourning. He must marry. He must produce an heir. He must take the staff of kinship. He cannot remain buried in memories while the crown waits. Adadiche, do whatever must be done, even if you have to drag him out of fire.
Then let it be known that I will not watch by the side. I will do whatever it takes to bring the prince back to life. The prince will be back to normal. He will be happy again. And when he does, I will be by his side.
I have placed a heavy task on your shoulders, Adadiche. Do not carry it like a basket of excuses.
May the gods strike me dead if I fail you. Leave his heart with me. I know how to plant seeds that grows.
Thank you. You may leave now.
May your days be long, my queen.
Ada did you Soma?
Isioma, what are you doing here so early? Did you miss your way?
I came so we can visit Olaocha's grave together, as friends that we used to be.
Friends? Ginonye, you want to go and visit a dead person's grave? Isioma, please. Let the dead bury the dead.
Do you even miss her at all?
If missing her would bring her back, then she'll be lying in the prince's hand.
She was our friend. Our very close friend.
She was our friend. But she's dead. She's gone. We cannot be calling back her spirit to ourselves.
I can't believe you're saying this. We were so close. We did everything together.
Isioma, please. I am not going to visit anybody's grave. Eh? Don't you know there's no tie between the living and the dead? And when Romeko, or did your mother not tell you that going to a dead person's grave might bring them and they'll start tormenting you? Please, as you can see, I was going somewhere before you stopped me. In China.
Why are you sounding like this?
Oimo, 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 Erisimo.
Olaocha, it is time you decide. Do you want revenge? Or seek justice?
What if I want both? What if my heart is torn between peace and the pain I am in?
If I were to advise you, child of sorrow, I would ask you to drop the weight of grudges. Not for them, but for your own soul. Vengeance leaves no room for rest. Let the gods weigh your heart and punish the guilty.
But my heart is broken. They tore me away from everything I ever wanted.
I know. I see it in your eyes. Like a candle that burns, but no longer brings out light. But still, if you want to cross over, you have to say goodbye with a heart that is not stained with bitterness. I'll teach you. I'll teach you how to enter their dreams, so you can say a proper goodbye and speak the truth with peace and not with curse.
Adadiche, what brings you here this early?
My prince, it's been 6 months since the earth swallowed Olaocha. And so I thought to myself, wouldn't it be wise for you to honor her today by going to your usual spot? Look, I brought her favorite fruit, oranges. I believe that if you stayed under the big old tree today and peel these oranges, the wind will let you taste something they stole from you. And just maybe your heart will heal and you'll be calm.
Thank you for this gesture, Adadiche.
Thank you, my friend.
You have always been a friend, and I appreciate.
Thank you, my prince. Here. May the gods visit you as you wait and honor your love.
Yes,
I beg to take my leave.
go well.
Oimo, 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 erisimo, oimo, esi oimo, oimo, erisimo, onye.
I know wherever you are, you can hear me. Olaocha, she left like a whisper in the wind. No final words. Did I do anything wrong? Did my love not weigh enough in your heart? Why did you leave me? You were the drumbeat of my soul. Now it is only silence. Silence.
Now, let's dream. Weave all that reality denied me. Sweet dreams, my prince.
No! Obiekunye, get up! Get up, don't let her touch you! She just confirmed my fear. Get off him! Get off! Why can't I do something? I can't protect him. I can't do anything.
The living still dance with shadows, Olaocha. But the night has not finished dancing. There is still time.
Adadiche, what happened?
I only came to check on you. And before I knew, my prince, you must take responsibility for what happened. Don't come close to me.
Did I? Please, listen. Adadiche, I am sorry for what happened, okay? I do not know what came over me. It was not intentional. I was just here eating my oranges. Then, everything went dark. And that is all I can remember. But believe me when I say that I did not mean it. Please. Listen. Do not tell anyone about this. No one should hear it. Just keep it to yourself. Yourself alone. Please. I am so ashamed of myself. I don't even know how to. I don't even know what else to say. Please, just. Adadiche.
I wanted to go. I wanted to say goodbye. Find peace. and cross over. But not anymore. Adadiche has gone too far. She has crossed the line that no soul should have dared. He's not just the man I loved. He's the crown to the kingdom of Umuji. And destroying him is destroying the heart of Umuji.
Then we fight. It won't be easy, but I'll teach you. I'll teach you how to appear to those your spirit longs to reach. How to move things to make your presence known. But it will cost your strength and focus. If your heart is set on this, you will learn it.
Teach me. I want to learn. I am ready. I will not rest until she pays for what she has done.
My princess, your beauty blinds all. That's what they're going to say. Now be like, your days belong. You follow me. After now, the prince will be mine. And nothing will stop it. Wanyelo is truly who she thinks she is.
Everything is beginning to happen just like she said. As soon as I carry the princess child, he must marry me. One step at a time.
Olam, where have you been? I have been searching everywhere for you. You left without a word. Please, talk to me. I have been sitting here waiting for you. Olam, could you please say something? Olam, please, do not shut me out. Ola! Olaocha! Ola, please say, come back! Ola, please come back! Do not leave me like this. I have been here waiting for you, please. Do not shut me out, I repeat. Come back, Olaocha!
Come back.
Please. Please come back. Olaocha, please come back. Come back. Come.
It was a dream.
Come in a bit more.
My queen,
Bring it.
my queen, I bring you good news. The kind that will make your heart limp for joy.
Adadiji, speak. What is it?
I am with child. The princess child, my queen. May the gods be praised! This is what I have been praying for.
Adadiji, you have given this kingdom hope again. A royal heir. You have done well, my daughter.
I pray I am worthy, my queen.
Worthy? If my son hears this, he has no choice but to make you his wife. You have sealed your place beside him.
Whatever pleases the queen and the gods, my queen.
Rest assured, from now, nobody will insult you in this kingdom. Because you are the mother of the next king. My son, the gods have smiled on this land. Adadiji here carries your child.
What? What did you just say, mother?
My prince, it is true. I swear by the gods.
I would not bring false news to the throne.
How do you mean? How did this happen?
Does it matter how? What matters is that the royal bloodline will continue. An heir will be born and you will be crowned king.
Mother, this was not what I wanted. In fact, this is not what I want.
My son, set aside your heart desires. Duty calls louder than desire. There will be a royal marriage soon.
My queen, my prince, I do not wish to bother you. I could go back to my father's house, but what grows inside of me is of this kingdom. It's for you, my prince.
It's fine. Do not worry, Adadiche.
Are you certain you want to do this?
I have never been more certain. I cannot stand and watch things fall apart.
Very well. But remember, this must be justice, not revenge. Do not let your wrath spoil your everlasting peace.
I understand you, Iluka. I will not let my anger turn me into what I despise.
Unresolved grudges. They can turn the most peaceful spirit into something dark. I only hope she controls her rage. There is a thin line between seeking justice and chasing revenge.
Now that Adadiche is with child, the gods has really spoken. It is said that when the cock crows are down, the people must rise. The prince cannot continue to mourn like a widow at a festival. His duty is to dethrone.
You speak with wisdom, Ichie Okezie. My son must embrace the wind of change. What is gone is gone. The kingdom cannot sit in the shadows forever. Adadiche. What? How dare you, vulture?
What nonsense!
How dare you stay here and want to feast on something you do not own? Now get out of this palace before I lose my anger.
My queen!
I say get out! Get out! Osunurang. Adadiche! Have you lost your mind? How dare you raise a hand against an elder? How dare you?
My queen, I am very sorry. I swear by the God, why did I do that? My queen, I didn't know what came over me. I didn't know.
Adadiche, you are not yet queen, and you behave like a tyrant? Is this how you want to repay my kindness, by bringing you to the palace?
No, my queen, I am very sorry. I didn't know what came over me. I didn't know why I do it. I didn't know. My queen, I'm sorry.
Adadiche,
my queen.
I know it's about power because you're in the royal house. Power without humility is like pot without water. It quenches no thirst. have no doubts that the child you carry in your womb will be a true replica of his father. Noble brow, firm chin, and eyes that carry the weight of kingdoms.
Mother, please. Her stomach is not even showing yet. So let us not carve a statue before molding the clay.
Your Highness, you know it's not up to 2 months. The belly will show. You'll see. Maybe the royal belly wants to come in its time.
Exactly. The fruits does not come before the flower.
I have heard. Till then.
I'm sorry. It's the royal soup.
Mother, do not say anything, please. In fact, I have lost my appetite.
Obi, come here. It's just a pregnancy of months. It happens.
It happens.
Gini na-emeba. Hey! Adadiche! Tifo obodo bịa na obi alekwana onye oshi ewu. Adadiche, as old as you are, you want to steal my goat. Adadiche.
Stealing your goat. I wasn't stealing. The goat was loosened. I was just admiring it. And I thought to...
Goat loosening? A goat that I tied by myself. Me, Obinna, the son of Igbazu, tied this goat. Hey! Where are you going to? What is happening? Iche, thank the gods you are here. Can you imagine? I just tied my goat here. I went inside to get food for the goat. Before you know it, Iche came out from nowhere and wants to steal my goat. Yeah. If not that I was fast enough to grab her, she would have made away with my goat.
Adadiche, you again?
Iche, stop it.
Adadiche, you again?
She again? Yes.
Adadiche, what in God's name are you doing with someone else's goat?
Nanya, I wasn't stealing it. I saw the small goat and I thought to go and give it to its mother.
You know stammer.
Do you know the mother? Or are you trying to tell me that me, Obinna, son of Igbazu, cannot tie ordinary goat again?
Yeah, okay. See, tie this goat around her leg. Take her straight to the palace. So as the queen will see her.
Adadiche,
I know you are enjoying this, But remember what I told you. Your time is almost up.
I need a little more time to teach her the lesson she taught me.
Then focus. Wrap it up and cross over. Else you remain here, a wandering spirit between worlds. Justice is good, Olaocha. But if you let bitterness grow teeth, it will devour you.
What has come over you, Adadiji? Why are you hell-bent on tearing down this royal household?
I'm sorry, my queen. I was...
Shut up! First, you raised your hands against the respected elders of this land. Secondly, you disrespected this household by making a fuss in the presence of my son and I while we had our meal. And now you are accused of stealing? Have you no home training? Are you cursed?
My queen, I'm sorry. I wasn't myself. I didn't know what came over me. I promise. I will not be caught doing that anymore.
If not that you carry the heir to the throne in your womb, I swear by the gods, I will have your head on a spike this minute.
Queen, please forgive me. It should never happen again. I will not be seen in such act anymore. I promise.
It better not happen again. This is a palace and not a marketplace of madness. Get out. Get out!
Oimo, 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 erisimo, oimo.
Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Something didn't work at all. The queen is angry. The prince is distant. The strange behavior. Yes. The strange behavior. Manilo. Yes. Yes. I must see her. She must have something.
Confess.
Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone. There is no tie between the living and the dead. Olaocha, you are dead. Stay dead. Leave me alone. Do not come to me again.
Tell the truth. Else death will come to you in ways that you cannot escape.
I beg you. Olaocha, don't stop me like that.
Until you confess, you would not have peace.
And I hope you're forgiving her over what happened the last time.
Stop it! Stop it! I'm going to confess! I know today! I will confess! My priest told her to stop it! Hey!
To stop. Who is haunting you?
Okay, so, hey! I'm going to confess! I'm going to confess my madness!
What is it?
Okay, wait.
What is it? Who is haunting you?
Are we talking? Are we Olaocha? Olaocha. It is Olaocha.
Olaocha? I thought she has since been buried.
But she has refused to rest. She has refused to let me be. She has been chasing me everywhere.
Baba.
I thought this Benign was
What is it?
Wait. Is that not the prince coming?
It is.
The gods wants to favor me today. That man is fine.
So that's why you're moving your waist like it's dislocated.
Are you mad? What do you mean by that?
I just pray love does not turn you into a clown in front of the whole kingdom.
Watch me. Royalty runs in my blood. My prince. May your days be long.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. May the day kindly shine upon you, daughters of Umoji.
See.
Come. What are you called?
My name is...
I was talking to her.
Olaocha, my prince.
Olaocha. A name that tastes like honey on the tongue.
Thank you, my prince.
May the gods bless the day you were born.
Ise.
My prince, I... My prince. Olaocha, are you sure the prince loves you like you claim? Because if he truly does, he would have sent maidens to come relieve you of the stress. Or don't you think so?
He did. He even asked that I come stay in the palace. He offered that 2 maids should come and serve in my father's house.
And yet, here you still are, letting the hot sun burn your back.
Nim, I choose to. Very soon, I'll be married to the prince. And I'll be far from this life. While I'm here, let me enjoy it.
Those are the words of a true queen. Humble and wise.
Yes, quite fortunate. It seems the gods are serving her with so many blessings overflowing in calabash.
Why wouldn't they? Her name, the wind carries it. Unlike some people, I know.
Beba, are you mad? Am I your mate? Are you mad? Listen, if you do not mind your words, soon your tongue will lead you to an early grave. And Olaocha will not be there to save you.
Why wouldn't she? Or do you plan to banish her?
No, I do not. But she will be in the palace. And the walls will be so high
to protect her from your evil eyes.
Please, I don't have evil eyes.
Listen, even amongst friends, the drum for respect still beats. She's not your mate. Ngwa, apologize.
Forgive me.
If you want yours, I will use this and break your head. Just know that you're not my friend.
It's okay, leave it.
It's because of you. It's because of you this thing hits me now.
It's okay. She's your friend, not your child. Zonike. Ozugo.
Olaocha, does she even have what it requires to be a future queen? Why must the prince want to marry her that he just met the other day and not me? I will never let it happen, Machi. I will never let it happen. What does she have that I don't? Is she prettier than I am? Is she taller than I am? Does she carry herself as much as I carry myself? Whatever it takes, I will do it. The prince must marry me. So, I'm going to bow to Olaocha. So I'm going to sit here and watch her get dressed and walk beside the prince. That would be over my dead body. I will not let that happen. I am a Dadiche. Different. Chosen. And destined.
Continue. Maggie. Ngwa, I've won. Play. No, you ate this one. Ngwa, Jiden kill.
Look at them. I know you will always play without me. I want me. They will always want to play without me.
No.
Welcome.
I got you orange.
That's why you covered her again. Darling.
That's not how to receive gift.
My hands are dirty.
Clean it. Ficha na akwagi. Ficha na akwagi. You, because you're the smallest.
Thank you.
Darling. How is your mother's leg?
She's doing well.
Now you've scattered this thing. We don't even know what we are doing again.
Hope you like it.
This orange is very
So
sweet.
nice.
And may these oranges seal our sister's bond.
Ise. Now you no longer quarrel her.
No, I won't. You are darker than darkness itself. I am sorry. I did not mean it. I was only blinded.
You vile serpent! You dare disgrace my lineage?
Restrain yourself. Obiekunye, she's a maiden. And remember, she still carries the royal seed. Royal seed!
You, the queen, and the prince, you believe that I was pregnant? I fooled you. I fooled you both. I don't even know what it means to be pregnant. I was never pregnant. I wanted to be the queen. I have always wanted to be the crown queen.
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! You something was wrong. I knew she was not real! I told you, but you never believed me. Now listen, I knew she was not real! What? You never believed me? Just listen to this evil woman.
I'm going to be the queen. I'm going to be the queen.
Take out!
I'm going to be the queen. If you touch me, I am going to kill you. I am the queen.
Take out!
I am the queen. I am the queen. Stop it! I am coming over you.
I'll stop killing you. Take her away. Else I will kill her with my bare hands. Mother, you heard her. You heard what she said. She killed my Olaocha. Mother, have you seen it? I told you. I knew it. She killed my Olaocha, Mother. Mother, she killed my queen. She killed her. She murdered her in cold blood. I knew there was something dark about her. I knew it.
Manu wabafia onye zucha nke ona mana ona gba obi o enu wabafia onye zucha ona mana ona gba obi o oni me obi o oimu o eme malue oimu erisimu oimu eme malue oimu erisimu obumukelo ngwemo
Olaocha, why did the gods take you away from me? Why?
I have not come to stir up your sorrow again. I only came to bid you farewell. And peace.
Peace? Did you just say peace? What peace is left of a man whose heart is buried with the one he loves?
My prince, you must not cling to my memory. Even in death, I do not want you captive. You are a king in waiting and not a mourner in chains. Though I still love you, but you must move on so you can rise again for your people and for your destiny. If anyone will stand by you, then it must be Isioma. And if there is anyone to wear that crown that I couldn't, it must be Isioma. Farewell, my prince. Farewell, Obiekunie.
Olaocha! Oh! Olaocha! Olaocha, please. Please! Come back! Come back! I still want to look at your face and tell you how much I love you. How much you mean to me. How much I miss you, please. Please come back. Come back. Come back. Olaocha, please. I want to see you. I want to talk to you. I still have things to say. I still want to tell you that I am here all alone. I need you around me. I need you by my side.
Manu wabafia onyezu chanke ona mana ona baopio enu wabafia oimo erisimo
Olaocha, spirits of the gods, what is this?
Isioma, I am not here to scare you. I only came because I must. The prince will come. Please do not refuse him.
No. No, sister. The crown is not for me. I'm not worthy. I cannot wear what belongs to you.
You're wrong. It has always been yours. The gods only dance through us. They used us to entertain themselves. Now that the dance is over, you must rise.
I cannot take your place. I will never be able to fill the void you left behind.
You are not taking my place. You are standing in your place. For the land, for the prince, and for me. Please, my sister, marry the prince and make him happy again.
You were the moon. I'm only a flicker of flame.
Even the moon makes way for the sun to shine. Please, marry him. I love you so much, Isioma.
Are you ready, Olaocha?
Yes, I am. My heart is light. My journey is complete.
You are brave. Braver than many who walk the earth. You turned your pain into purpose. Grief into grace.
What about you? Why are you still here? Is there a pain that needs to heal?
No, child. I was sent here. I was sent here to help you find your peace. So you can have a place among the stars.
Thank you so much, Eluka. Thank you. What's this on my hand?
Now, you are free. Come with me.
Obumu